Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene. And in this video today, I'm going to talk about what is JIRA Service Management, what are the use cases of JIRA Service Management, and what are the advantages of it. So let's start. JIRA Service Management is a powerful IT service management tool built by Atlassian. It provides various tools and flows to manage and deliver various IT services within an organization. It also helps in collaboration between IT and other departments within an organization. Because it is built by Atlassian, it provides strong integration with your JIRA, making it a very powerful IT service management tool. For example, if you want to manage and track your incidents, your problems, your change requests, JIRA Service Management provides various tools for it as well. Some of the key features of JIRA Service Management is A, Service Request Management. It provides the end-to-end flow of resolving a service request from the submission till the closure. It also provides customizable reports and dashboards and also the active column boards where you can manage, monitor, take data-driven decisions on the service request management itself. The second important feature is the incident management. Jira Service Management helps the teams to respond to resolve incidents very quickly. And it also includes automated incident escalation and alerting systems. The third important aspect or key feature of JSM is the problem management. It helps in identifying and tracking the underlying causes or root causes of incidents to avoid recurrence. It enables root causes analysis and links the incident with the root causes for better tracking and understanding of the incident itself. The fourth key feature is the change management. JSM helps in managing changes to IT infrastructure and services with minimal disruption. It helps in supporting change planning, approval workflows, risk assessment, and change calendars. Another key feature of JIRA Service Management is asset and configuration management. It helps in tracking and managing IT assets and configurations, maintains a configuration management database to understand the relationship and dependencies between assets. Jira Service Management also provides a knowledge management. It has a centralized repository for knowledge articles, FAQs, and documentation. It provides and facilitates self-service for users and supports agents with quick access to information. Another key feature is the SLA management. It defines, tracks, and reports on service level agreements, ensures that the delivery meets the agreed SLAs. One of the vital features of JSM is reporting and analytics. It provides insights into ticket volumes, the resolution times, the response times, and other key metrics. Having understood the key features of JSM, let's understand also the benefits or advantages of Jira Service Management. The first point is enhanced collaboration. JSM is a centralized tool and which can be used by everyone in the organization. It helps in better collaboration within IT and other departments within an organization. JSM helps in improving efficiency. Automation and streamlined processes reduce manual work, speeding up service, delivery, and resolution time. Another important advantage is better incident response. Since all the incidents are in the centralized tool or platform, it helps all the team members to respond to an incident very quickly. Another important key advantage of JSM is the increased transparency. JSM have real-time dashboard and you can configure metrics which you're looking at, which helps in making data-driven decisions for the organization. Since JSM is a central repository of all the incident and it helps resolve incidents quickly, it helps in also enhanced customer satisfaction. Let's also understand a few use cases where JSM can be used. Jira Service Manager can be used within an organization where IT requests can be managed efficiently. The second use case is customer support. JSM provides external customer support through a unified service desk where customers can log their requests or any support needed, and it can be visualized in JSM. The third widely used scenario where JSM is used is the HR services. Handle your HR related inquiries and requests such as onboarding and offboarding is very streamlined and very efficient using your JIRA service management. Facilities related management can also be done using your JSM. Your facilities related issues and maintenance requests can be tracked and monitored and managed using your JIRA service management. Here are a few examples of how JIRA service management can be used. Talking about IT help desk management. Incident management is one of the widely used scenarios in GSM. Track and resolve IT incidents effectively using JSM. Service request management. Handle requests from for new hardware or software or any IT related stuff in your JSM. Change management. Manage IT infrastructure changes, including planning, risk assessment, approval, and implementation using your JSM. The second widely used use case is the customer support. Centralized customer support tickets ensuring timely response using JSM. Self-service post portal where the customers can use log support tickets to the team. SLA management, define, track, and monitor the SLAs within the JSM tool itself. What are some use cases with respect to the HR? How can JIRA service management used in HR? One is employee onboarding. Manage the onboarding process of the new employees, including task assignment and progress tracking. HR service request. Handle requests related to payroll, related to leave, and HR policies on your JSM. Policy management. Distribute and track acknowledgement of company-related policies and your procedures in JIRA Service Management. When it comes to facilities management, here are a few use cases how you can use JIRA Service Management. Maintenance request. Track and manage your maintenance request in JSM. Automate the booking of conference rooms or your meeting rooms by the teams on JSM. Asset management. Keep track of your physical assets, including maintenance schedules and life cycle information in your JSM. Legal departments can also use JIRA Service Management. In your contract management, where you can track the status of contracts, manage approvals, and maintain a repository of all the legal documents. Legal request. Handle requests regarding legal reviews, consultations, and compliance on your JSM. Third one is your case management. Manage legal cases, including documentation, task assignment, and progress tracking. Marketing and sales teams can also use JIRA Service Management, but how? First one is your campaign management. Track marketing campaigns, manage tasks, and monitor progress is one of the use cases. The second use case is the lead tracking itself. Manage and track your sales lead from your initial contract till the closing of the deal. Management teams can also use JSM to plan and coordinate events, including task assignment, scheduling, and resource allocation. So these were a few examples of use cases which various departments in the organization can use JIRA Service Management tool for. With this, our video on what JIRA Service Management is, what are the advantages of it, and what all department for what use cases we can use JIRA Service Management for. I hope this video really helped you in getting a gist of what JIRA Service Management is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on JIRA Service Management. Thank you so much.